Look at you go today. Show me your moves. That's right. That's right. Wow, look at her turn around. Oh, look at the foot. Mm-hmm. Holy cow. What are we doing tonight?
Going trick or treat.
Where?
At Walmart.
At Walmart. What are we doing tonight, Yay?
At Walmart.
At Walmart. We're gonna get lots of candy. Oh man, we got like a Dracula.
Ow.
Vampire. Ah. You guys ready for school? Oh God. Oh, Nadia, you're not very nice. Okay, don't mess up his hair. He's gotta go to school. Nadia. The love. Nadia, don't kick. Nadia, it's not nice. Nadia, stop kicking. Yeah, look at Mom. Nadia. Hey, quit dealing with that. Oh man, fight on the desk. Okay, say bye.
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 Bye.